this day or this session. I hope you will see your capstone project not just a file in your drive, but an assets for ready for global market. So let's turn your innovations into protected, successful realities. And thank you for attending for today's training. Let's have a productive day ahead.
Now, if you develop something innovative, okay, so do not immediately publish the code. Okay? So I encourage kung sa tingin nyo yung inyong dinevelop na technology ay unique. Okay? So malaki yung impact. Okay? So wag nyo kaagad siyang i-share.
Di ba yung patent 20 years, non-renewable. Yung UX 7 years, non-renewable. Industrial design 5 years, pwede pa natin. Yung trademark forever as long as ginagamit nyo ay mini-maintain. Copyright. Yung trade secret, hanggang kailan na protection? Ayun, hanggang sa walang makaalam. Hanggang ma-maintain nyo na siya ay secret, trade secret yun. Okay?
The processes listed na nandun, totally, meron pa rin kayo. So somehow, you have differences pa din. So yun nga lang, you have to prove din na it is different pagdating doon sa ipa-file yung intellectual property. So yun, in terms of IP.
Mapabilis yung mga process ng bawat business ng magiging client natin. Siyempre, kaya nga sila naging course natin na software is to streamline na yung business process nila sa isang business o sa ating mga IT to create a strong relationship with clients. I-maintain yung trust nila sa atin para sila na mismo yung o-offer sa ibang client nila.
Lagi nyo tatandaan bilang IT, believe in your ideas. Lagi nyo isipin na yung idea nyo is unique. Kayo lang meron yan and no one will get it. Kaya kailangan maniwala kayo sa sarili nyo and also strengthen your technical skills. No? Hindi lang basta nasa comfort zone kayo, doon na kayo mag-stay. Always search for challenge, always do risk. And syempre, dapat lagyan natin siya ng passion, hard work, and commitment to learning.
Meron silang app na pwede gamitin para makapag-review sila, makahabol sa mga lessons. So, pero lang hindi siya, start siya small, sa school lang muna, tapos in-improve nila along the way para maging papunting-pakinawag pa sa community.
So, recap natin, for copyright, kailangan po namin ng 2 kopya ng IP disclosure form, 4 na kopya ng deed of assignment, digital and hard copy of your work. Then for trademark filing, 2 copies of IP disclosure form, 3 copies of deed of assignment, and digital and hard copy of work. Then for UM patent filing, 2 copies of IP disclosure form, 3 copies of deed of assignment, digital copy of UM patent abstract, abstract specification, claims and figures if applicable, and certification of percentage distribution.
So according to the Philippine Franchise Association, franchising is a method of distributing products or services involving a franchisor who establishes the brand's trademark or trade name and a business system, and a franchisee who pays a royalty and often an initial fee for the right to do the business under the franchisee's name and system.